Details have emerged of the Bihar cabinet portfolio distribution, and for the first time in 2 decades, Nitish Kumar will not have the Home Ministry. The confirmation has come in that it will be with the BJP this time. Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary, who also took oath with Nitish Kumar, becomes now the Bihar Home Minister. This was one of the core sticking points, and many thought that there's no way Nitish Kumar will give in to any pressure when it comes to Home Ministry, and that's because it's been under Chief Minister Nitish since 2005. Now the BJP seems to have played their cards right and ensured the Home Ministry is given to the BJP this time around. Mind you, one big factor in this would have been the fact that the BJP is the single largest party in Bihar, and so with that, in the NDA, they will want more say. The chief ministership has gone to Nitish Kumar. The Home Ministry, it seems, is the compromise. And Samrat Chaudhary, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, has been given the portfolio of Home, a ministry and a portfolio that's always been extremely close to Chief Minister Nitish Kumar since 2005. He's held on to this portfolio. Maria Shakil is joining us with more details on this. Maria, what do you make of this development? Nitish Kumar having to let go of the Home portfolio, give it over to the BJP?
Massive. I would say that this is certainly a huge development in the context of Bihar. Remember, Akshita, we have been saying that it is not about the Speaker's chair, which was the point of contention. It was the Home Ministry portfolio, which was being discussed repeatedly between the BJP and the JDU leadership. Now it seems that the BJP has had his way, and Nitish Kumar will not be holding the Home Ministry portfolio. It becomes important in this context, Akshita, particularly is that since 2005 that Nitish has been in power, he has held that portfolio closely because he wanted to present a model of governance and a model of safety security which was different from what was there pre-2005, which is infamously known as the Jungle Raj days. So Nitish Kumar wanted to send that message that his government is looking robust and the law and order situation in Bihar is strong because it is he who is at the helm of affairs and he is the one holding the Home Ministry portfolio. If that portfolio has now gone to the BJP and Samrat Chaudhary, the Deputy Chief Minister, is holding that portfolio, it's a clear signal of a power shift, a visible shift in the perception that will be going now on ground zero also in Bihar. It is an NDA government led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. The list, though, if you look at it, is the list which was released was largely of the ministers from the BJP quota who are now part of the Council of Ministers. As far as the JDU ministers is concerned, that list is not out yet, what portfolios they have got. But for the moment, what we can certainly say is that Samrat Chaudhary is now the Home Minister of Bihar and Nitish Kumar, of course, the face of this ministry as the Chief Minister.
Okay, interesting development this. But Maria, did you also see this coming? You know, I remember a couple of days ago, you did say that the biggest bone of contention is over the Home Ministry. The fact that Nitish has given it over, do you think it's simply by virtue of the BJP being the single largest party?
BJP is the single largest party. It has 5 more seats more than the JDU. Remember, Akshita, that in 2020, the BJP won 74 seats. Nitish Kumar's JDU was at 43. The number of seats that the BJP won was almost twice that of the JDU, and Nitish Kumar had continued to be the Chief Minister. At that time, Samrat Chaudhary became the deputy, but he was the finance minister. He held the portfolio of finance minister, not as the home minister. Home ministry portfolio remained with Nitish Kumar. The BJP was seen as the big brother who was being magnanimous in ensuring that Nitish Kumar remains the face of the government. I would see this as a huge messaging that is coming in from this. Yes, Nitish Kumar is the chief minister, but with Samrat Chaudhary as the home minister, the equation certainly changes.
Thanks very much, Maria, for those details. I'll bring in Rohit Singh, who's joining us live from Patna as well. Rohit, what does this really mean? If you look at the current structure of the cabinet and the fact that the Home portfolio, we all know how powerful that portfolio is, has gone to Samrat Chaudhary. Does this kind of also send across a message that this is Nitish's control being watered down?
Well, yes, Home Department going to Samrat Chaudhary to the BJP quota is a clear indication now that Samrat Chaudhary is no longer the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, but it would be very safe to say that he perhaps is the mini chief minister in Bihar now, because the home department, the policing and law and order, everything has now gone in his hand. So this is a big shift as far as the power politics, power dynamics in Bihar is concerned. And this time it clearly goes on to show that the BJP has had its way, because remember, if the BJP, despite being the single largest party in Bihar, has compromised with the post of chief minister and has given that post to Nitish Kumar, then they have in turn in fact taken a lot of large part of the flesh also, we can say, with the home department coming to BJP's kitty, because remember, for the last 20 years Nitish Kumar continued to hold the home department come what may, whether he was with the BJP or whether he was with the RJD. He switched sides several times, but he continued to remain in charge of the home department. But now when the BJP, despite being, as I told you, despite being the single largest party, has shown a large heart and has made Nitish Kumar the chief minister, it's a big price, huge price that Nitish Kumar has had to pay for this by in fact handing over the home department to the BJP quota, and now Samrat Chaudhary, very likely we can say, is the mini chief minister. And remember, during election campaign, Amit Shah had said when he was campaigning for Samrat Chaudhary कि आप इनको वोट दीजिए, हम इनको और बड़ा बनाएंगे. So that was an indication, and today when this list has come out and the home department is with Samrat Chaudhary, obviously it's a big elevation for Samrat Chaudhary and his stature.
Yep.
Back to you.
Thanks very much, Rohit, for putting those details in context for us. So the big news break coming in from Bihar, that after decades now, Chief Minister Nitish letting go of the home portfolio, handing it over to the BJP.